apartments that are on the second floor get a huge balcony.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chelsea with RTW Discoveries. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be touring 3 luxury apartments in Houston, Texas. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more touring and travel reviews. Also, this is only part 1. I have another video coming up, so go ahead and hit that bell notification if you want to see part 2. The first location we're going to look at is Cortland in Halstead. This location offers a resort-style pool and a lap pool, which is heated. You do have a business center with Wi-Fi and conference room, 24-hour fitness center. There's a billiards room, a movie theater, and also a parking garage. Let's take a look at some of the amenities before we take a look at the actual apartments. Keep in mind that each apartment does use net effective rent, which means that you will get a quote that's good for 48 hours. After that quote, it will change and it could be higher, it could be less. It really depends. Keep in mind if you're moving in the summertime, it's always going to be more expensive. The first apartment we're going to be looking at is their model, so you can get an idea of the layout. Now, of course, this was too small for what we were looking for, but I wanted to include it so that you guys could see. Also, keep in mind that this location does have 2 different buildings. The first one is considered a mid-rise, and later on we're going to be looking at the second building, which is a tower. I personally prefer the tower, and you will see why. The next 2 apartments is located in the tower.
It's the windows for me.
Now, this apartment I loved. I just wish it was a 2-bedroom, but you'll see why I loved it in a moment.
Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, drink some.
For this to be the only bedroom, I wish it was a little bit bigger, especially if you have like a king-size bed. That is a must.
Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the
As you can see, we were doing a layout. She was showing me exactly what other people have done to this location, so I loved it. She had the best customer service.
brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day.
So all the apartments that are on the second floor get a huge balcony.
My jaw dropped when I saw this balcony. You can't tell me that this isn't a beautiful balcony. Like, I envisioned everything on this balcony, okay? Like, I wanted this place just because of that balcony.
Look out my window, see birds and planes, sun's out, some clouds, it might rain, siblings.
All three of these locations were literally across the street from each other. So we're gonna make our way to the next one. The Meritage is the next location. They do have some great amenities. Of course, they have a pool, chef-inspired barbecue grilling stations. They do have a smart hub with Wi-Fi, Starbucks coffee bar, storage available. They also have Wi-Fi in social spaces. They have a gym. So let's take a look at the rest of the amenities. Unfortunately, they only have the 1-bedroom model for us to view, so I'm going to insert a clip. This location wasn't really what we were looking for, and I know you probably saw like a lot of things modeled after wine, and that's because this company does own a winery. So a lot of their rooms are called like the Merlot, like they're named after wine. This was like more of a old school vibe. It wasn't exactly what I was looking for. Now let's take a look at the HIGHBANK. The HIGHBANK has a resort-style swimming pool, library, complimentary Wi-Fi in all amenity areas, valet waste services, multi-level parking garage, which is good because in Houston, you know they do have flood areas, so you want to make sure that your parking is multi-level so that you don't have to worry about anything happening. Also, they do have a secure package pickup, which is pretty good. So let's take a look. The apartment does feature ceiling fans in the bedrooms and living rooms. You also get 10-foot ceilings with 8-foot main entry doors. You do have wood grain flooring in the living room areas, full-size washer dryers. Some of them do have a private balcony. You'll see the second apartment does have one, but this one does not. Also, there's built-in computer desk, which is good, especially everybody working from home. It is needed. They do have USB ports in the kitchen. So let's go ahead and take a look. I did enjoy this apartment the most. It was the most up to date. It was 2.2. It had the most square footage. I can imagine my furniture at this location. And it also had a wraparound balcony, so take a look. So go ahead, let me know which apartment you guys preferred out of the three. Leave a comment below. Also, stay tuned for part 2. That's when we're gonna get real luxury.